In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send crypto from crypto.com to Coinbase safely and quickly. Be sure to follow every step and double check the wallet details to avoid losing your funds. Let's get started. First, go to the crypto.com website or open the app and sign in to your account. Once you're in, head over to your main dashboard. Then go to the market section where all available coins are listed. Choose the crypto you want to transfer. For this video, I'll choose USDT. Tap on it to view more options. Next, click Withdraw, which will allow you to send your crypto to another platform like Coinbase. Under the Wallet Address section, tap Add Now to enter a new withdrawal address. Now when selecting the network, make sure it matches the network you selected in Coinbase. In this case, I'll choose ERC20. Using the wrong network could result in losing your funds. Finally, paste the wallet address generated by Coinbase, then confirm and complete the withdrawal. The transfer may take a few minutes depending on the network traffic. And that's how to send from crypto.com to Coinbase. If this video helped, leave a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tutorials. See you next time!